hi Arjun, how are you?
I am very good.
So अभी
I mean, it's been a long journey. I've just come back from a 2 month
like
long work from vacation, you can call it.
so how was it? How was your journey exactly? In which in words?
Well, Khatro Ke Khiladi is one of the toughest shows I've done, and it's one of the craziest experiences I've had in terms of the way the show is, the format of the show. I mean, you really test yourself uh, every day, and it's a show where you're competing with you know other actors and basically contestants, and yeah, it was a long journey. It was quite tiring, and it's very difficult, yeah, to pull off something like this.
So I will start by saying we love the way your son welcomed you from your show to Mumbai. What's your thought on it? And दो हमने आपके expressions देखे हैं कि जो आपके expressions आए हैं ना चेहरे पे खिलखिला के, तो उसके बारे में आप कुछ बताइए, क्या आप expect कर रहे थे उस चीज के बारे में?
नहीं, मैं एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था. मतलब आई न्यू कि मतलब द बिगेस्ट वेलकम वाज व्हेन आई entered the house and he hugged me, and that was like the best moment. But उसके बाद मैं सो गया था, and when I woke up they had done all of this, so I didn't know कि उन्होंने ये सब किया. And then Ayan told me, Papa, get ready, and I got ready, and then they were not allowing me to come outside, so I kind of understood कि कुछ तो किया है, but क्या किया I didn't know. And then he said, shut your eyes, and then he got me inside the living room, and there was this whole thing, the whole place was decorated, and then this beautiful cake, and my entire journey of Khatro Ke Khiladi, they had put selected all pictures, printed them, and stuck it on the balloons. So it was really nice, and I felt good after 2 months. Having this welcome from your family, it just gives you that boost to do more, and very overwhelming experience.
तो यूजुअली कहते हैं कि खतरों के खिलाड़ी से वापस आते हैं ना, तो कोई ना कोई जो फियर है वो ओवरकम करके आते हैं. सो इज देयर एनीथिंग व्हिच यू हैव ओवरकम, एनी फियर?
A lot of things, yeah. मुझे हाइट का था fear. मतलब पहले से था, but in between, because of my shooting, other shows also, that I had overcome a little, but there was still this fear of heights, and of course fear of cold water, which I've definitely overcome, because cold water में usually back spasm हो जाता है, and your muscles tend to cramp up. But मैं इतनी बार यहाँ ठंडे पानी में गया हूँ और मैंने stunts किए हैं कि I kind of understood, and kind of overcame the whole feeling of just the fear of going into cold water. I think I've overcome it. And one phobia that I've come back with is shocks. वहाँ इतने शॉक लगे हैं ना कि अब डर लगता है किसी भी चीज को छूने से पहले ना, थोड़े हाथ ऐसे कांपने लगते हैं.
लाइक अगली बार फ्रिज छूने से पहले डर लगा रहेगा.
हाँ, 100% यार. ऐसा हुआ भी था वहाँ पर. सर मुझे कुछ दे रहे थे, and I was like ऐसे ऐसे करके I was trying to get it. It was damn funny.
तो अगर हम सेट की बात ही जब कर रहे हैं तो आपसे मैं पूछ लेता हूँ, लाइक केप टाउन, इट्स ऑलरेडी एन अमेजिंग लोकेशन. तो कोई तीन चीज जो आप अपने साथ लेकर आए वहां से, और मतलब मेमोरी में लेके आए, और उसके बाद वो तीन चीज जो आपने टॉलरेट की केप टाउन में कि नहीं यार ये बर्दाश्त नहीं होगी वहां पे.
I think the weather is very unpredictable there. कभी-कभी you see all seasons in one day. हमारे यहाँ होता है ना कि धूप है, फिर बारिश होती है, फिर विंटर आता है. विंटर मतलब मुंबई में इतना नहीं होता, बट वहाँ एक बारिश हो रही होती है तेज. सडनली यू हैव द सन आउट, एंड देन सडनली हवा चल रही होती है, तेज हवा, एंड इट्स रियली रियली कोल्ड. So that is something which was very unpredictable there. What I really loved, what I've come back with, there was this one location that we were shooting, जहाँ पहाड़ है, पानी है, एक तरफ सूरज है और उसी तरफ दूसरी तरफ चांद भी है. So I think that was something which that memory is, yeah, it was just beautiful. फिर the sky used to be pink out there sometimes, and that was a amazing visual, pink and orange. And so that was amazing. And मैंने जंगलों में वहाँ बहुत शूट किया because अर्जुन द वाइल्ड करके एक सेगमेंट है खतरों के खिलाड़ी में. So I used to go into the jungle and shoot all of that. So I think that was an amazing experience. And yes, I think Cape Town was great. And I think the people out there are really amazing. We had an amazing crew who were very warm towards us. They really took good care of us. And I think those are the memories that have come back from me.
सो यू वर ऑन द शो. अगर आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाती कि आप इंडस्ट्री में से आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को लेके जा सकते हो वहां पे, तो किन 3 फ्रेंड्स को लेकर जाते हैं आप?
Moni, I would take Moni there. I would take my friend Rohit there, and I think I'll just take all of them. और 3 नाम क्या बताऊं, मियाँ है, सारे दोस्तों को, जितने भी दोस्त, I think the more the merrier. It's that kind of a place, and I absolutely in love with this place called Camps Bay there. It's beautiful, yeah. The way even in the parks that we went, they have this play area for children in every park, and they have these sections where you can do barbecue with your family. You can just come there, do a barbecue, spend the day there, and go back. So I think we should also have something like this here in Mumbai. There are parks where you can just go with your family, probably do a barbecue. हर पार्क में चिल्ड्रंस प्ले एरिया होना चाहिए, and I'm really hoping that happens.
Okay, I will tag Mumbai EFC. अगर
yes,
आप
and it will be even our beaches. There are beaches. I mean, I'm just saying that even we have such a beautiful coastline. We should have lots of restaurants on those coastline, and our beaches should be. Of course, a lot of people are working towards the cleanliness of beaches now, which is a good thing to see in Mumbai. A lot of beaches are clean now. I just want there to be, water sports and restaurants, and where people can just on weekends or on weekdays just come to the beach, have a good time with their family. And obviously, it should all be in a controlled environment. We're going through a pandemic and stuff. But I'm sure that, in the coming years, I would love to see.
फिंगर क्रॉस कि एक कोरोना जल्दी से जाए. बट अगर इस सीजन में बात करें तो आपको 3 ऐसे कौन से कंटेस्टेंट थे जो आपको मतलब यू विश्ड कि ये होते ही नहीं?
तो उसमें obviously there's always going to be tough competition यार. And ये सोचना कि ये नहीं होता वो नहीं होता is very childish. So I don't. I know for you it's a question कि यार 3 नाम बताओ, but for me it's like जो है वो थे, and I was very happy कि I was with this bunch because we all bonded really well. तो वो 3 नाम लेना बड़ा unfair होगा कि ये 3 नहीं होने चाहिए. मेरी जर्नी अच्छी रही. It's about rediscovering yourself. It's about knowing yourself, facing your fears. It's about your own personal journey. It doesn't depend. My outlook towards the show doesn't depend on anybody else कि ये होता तो अच्छा हुआ या ये नहीं होता तो
no if and buts.
No if and buts. Cool. I mean, it's a competition. There is always going to be somebody who's going to compete. You're going to compete, so it's fine.
So the way reality shows बनते हैं and the way daily soaps create होते हैं, तो दोनों में ना कहीं थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होता है ऑडियंस के पर्सपेक्टिव का और क्रिएशन का भी. बट इन दोनों में देखा जाए तो आपने इन दोनों फॉर्मेट में काम कर रखा है, तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा कि आपको किस फॉर्मेट में काम करके ज्यादा किक मिलता है, लाइक डेली सोप्स और रियलिटी शोज?
I would not say daily soaps, but I would say fiction. I would call it fiction. So I think fiction has its own fun because you're playing a character there, and you're not yourself. Reality shows में usually you are yourself, and वो completely दो ऐसी, you cannot compare apple and oranges. It's like that. But अगर मेरी reality shows करके I get to be more of Arjun Bijlani, and when I do fiction I get to be the character. I think being a character is more fun because it's more of a challenge, because you got to convince people that you're that other person and still make them fall in love.
So सो अगर मैं रियलिटी शोज की बात करूं तो हम देखते हैं कि ऑडियंस का ना कंटेस्टेंट की तरफ एक अपना सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर होता है, लाइक उनकी बॉन्डिंग्स के साथ वो लोग भी ऐसे अपना है ना इंगेजमेंट बना लेते हैं और अपना एक कनेक्शन फील करते हैं। तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा कि लाइक इस शो में खतरों के खिलाड़ी में आपका कोई एक ऐसा बॉन्ड बना जो हम फ्यूचर में आपको देख सकते हैं उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हुए या कोई अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स पे?
Uh, I don't know. I bonded with everybody, so I don't know. But yes, uh, a lot of conversations I had with Abhinav. बहुत मस्ती की उसके साथ. With Nikki, Nikki is a lot of fun. She's funny, and Asta. So let's see. Maybe I would love to do a song in which Asta is singing, and probably Nikki feature हो जाए उसमें. And something of that sort, Divyanka for that matter, and I think Varun, Vishal, we all have had so much fun on the show. Sana is my very old buddy, so I would love to do something with her as well. तो मजा आएगा अगर इनमें से किसी के साथ भी कुछ होता है तो I would look forward to it.
And what about Rohit Shetty? We are going to see him. We are going to see you in in his upcoming movie.
That you'll have to ask Rohit. But that you'll have to ask Rohit sir, honestly. But I would love to work with him. I think I've had a special bond with him. I've really gelled with him. And see, usually in his movies, he is working with the biggest of stars. So, pata nahi life. But you should always think positive and hope that good things happen to you. And I'm like that. I'm very optimistic. So I hope रोहित सर के साथ मैं जरूर काम करूं and someday he directs me and tells me what to do. हालांकि we did one prank out there on our stunt director and Francois, and he was directing me what to do and what not to do. So I really enjoyed that moment where he was giving me instructions कि अब ऐसा करना है वैसा करना है, and I had this earphone, earplugs where he was instructing me everything. So he was directing me in this in a lot of situations. So, and he's great. Yeah, he's just so amazing to work with, and so much experience he has. He's one of the best directors we have. So it's been a nice, warm journey with him as well. Hearing so many stories about his films, about such big personalities from the industry. So you feel कि इतने बड़े डायरेक्टर के साथ जब he talks to you in a certain way, तो आपको लगता है कि it's so important to be grounded even though you're in a particular position.
So lastly I will ask you कि मैं आपके सोशल फीड्स के स्क्रॉल कर रहा था and मुझे थोड़ा पता चला कि you are doing something. So I would like to know you from कि आप अभी किन चीजों में अभी लगे हुए हैं और आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या हैं?
Well, I can't talk about the project as such, but I'm definitely going to start shoot soon. It's a web series, and I'm really looking forward to it. I don't know how much I can talk about it. I'm told not to right now. So, but yes, I'm definitely shooting for sure, and I'm doing this very beautiful show. I hope they fall in love with my character as well.
So thank you. But यहाँ पे मेरे पास कुछ और questions है जो कि हम आगे ना थोड़ा मतलब rapid fire type है. So you just have to be in one liner. So what's your morning routine?
Morning routine: wake up, brush my teeth, have a bath, pray, and then eat my breakfast. And yeah.
And fitness secret?
Fitness secret is workout every day, even if it's half an hour. You must engage in some kind of exercise. It's good for your mental health. It's good for your physical health. And once your blood is pumping and you've exercised, your day is going to go well. That's for sure.
And what kind of diet you follow?
I eat everything. It's not like, but there's depending on the goal that I have. Suppose I want to lose weight, then it will be like a more high protein diet, less carbs. Otherwise, on a normal day, I eat everything. Dal, chawal, sabzi, रोटी आई अवॉइड, थोड़ा ग्लूटेन फ्री वाला चक्कर. अब बीच में मैं सोच रहा था even I should go vegan. I want to try that as well, see what's the difference. But usually it's a low carb, high protein diet.
And what's the secret of your hair care?
Hair?
Yes.
Use a good shampoo. Always, after you shampoo your, please condition. Please use a conditioner. A lot of people don't do that. And yes, basic. Go for a hair spa if you need. And yes, because we are actors, we have to use a lot of products. But as much as I can, I try and avoid using
Your skin routine.
Skin, again, a good moisturizer, sunscreen for sure. Before you sleep, make sure you wash your face while you tone it, and you use a good night cream where your skin kind of recovers at night as well. So in the morning when you wake up, you're like this fresh
So like,
skin.
so you liked the way you talked about food. So I definitely want to know कि आपका favorite food कौन सा है?
I like Indian food यार, मुझे बहुत पसंद है Indian. मैं घर का खाना बहुत मतलब मजे से खाता हूँ. And कभी-कभी obviously you go to restaurants and all. Then I prefer Italian sometimes, or I love Chinese.
So lastly, and I would like to know how do you deal with mental health? क्योंकि इस time पे बहुत ज़्यादा mental health को importance दी जा रही है, and somewhere we have to check our mental health की कैसे चल रहा है. So would you like to tell?
I see, the way I look at it is as like life is never going to be perfect at all times. It's never going to be bad at all times. The way I look at it is I balance my mental health by generally being more optimistic towards life. Sometimes you might not get everything you want, but you should be content with what you have. That feeling is very important. Whatever you've achieved or whatever you have, is good, and if you want more, you work for it and you work hard, and the journey is more important than the destination. Sometimes when you really want something, you tend to not enjoy what you already have. That is something which really spoils your mental health. Secondly, I think family really matters, and we need to spend more time with our family. And I think they kind of create that balance between your work pressure and your other challenges of life. So spending time with family, talking to them about how you feel, sharing with your friends. Suppose you're not feeling good about it, you need to talk to people. You need to share it with someone and hear somebody else's perspective towards it. Or if not that, if you feel you're an introvert, you really can't talk, you need to go to probably go see a counselor. I think people should be more open to speak to counselors, or go to a psychiatrist. I mean, going to a psychiatrist doesn't mean you're mad or you're not mentally fit. Sometimes you just need to talk things out, and they understand you better than what probably you would, your sense of understanding is. So I think we need to reach out more often than we do.
Thank you so much, Arjun. Lovely chatting with you, and all the best for your upcoming projects and also for Khatron Ke Khiladi.
Thank you so much.